selection grids, like
Who, what, where, now what, who, where.
I'll tell you. Anyway, the selection grid is how MA3 understands where the lights are in relation to each other. But firstly, we have to go back to school. This is the x-axis. This is the y. Let's worry about z another day. So if, hypothetically, we have 4 lines of fixtures, we want Grandma over here to understand that this guy and this guy are at the same point on the x-axis. So if I wanted to do an effect left to right, I'd want them to respond the same. Here, we can utilize this selection grid to tell her where they are. So,
How do they do it?
starting with nothing selected, we grab our first line of fixtures. Since that little blue box was at x0 and y0, we have our top line. All we have to do now is click where we want the next selection to go, and so on and so on. Now we have our lovely grid built. We'll store these lights into a group, and hey look, the grid stays with it. That means you can have as many grid layouts as you could possibly want, and it will always be within the group you've stored it in. Now you might be thinking, that's pretty long. So if you have the privilege of having 3D positions in your Grandma, you can grab from 3D, and voila, a cheap and easy grid. So now you know about